When the wooden splinter breaches the skin, bacteria ride in on its fibers. Torn cells release danger signals that ripple through the tissue, summoning the immune system to the site. Nearby vessels dilate, and the first line of defense.
Tissue-resident macrophages patrol the dermis with cratered, restless membranes. Their toll-like receptors probe for molecular patterns of danger. Contact. The receptor locks onto a bacterial signature. Recognition flash.
At the wound site, tiny surface vessels dilate, flooding the area with blood. This is rubor, redness. The tissue releases heat. Waves of warmth shimmer above the skin, calor. Plasma leaks from the...
Inside a lymph node, an activated helper T cell meets a B cell. Its receptors ignite the B cell, triggering rapid division. The clones mature into plasma cells, factories glowing with energy. Waves of golden...
After the battle is won, most of the immune army drifts away, but a select few remain. These are the memory B cells and memory T cells. Their golden glow marks their commitment to long-term vigilance.
Anti-inflammatory signals sweep through the injured tissue, quieting irritation and easing the swollen edges. Fibroblasts arrive and weave new collagen, creating a golden framework for repair. Fresh capillaries branch in, bringing oxygen and